Alright, welcome back, Bug. So this time I'm going to teach you about while loops. They're similar to for loops, just put in a different way. So let's get started. So clear. Oh, let's exit out of Lua for a second. Clear. We already have a while here. So edit. Ah, monster. Techno robot. Poor little guy. Alright. Alright, okay. So we're going to do edit. Oh no, that's right here. Okay, so while loop is like this. While something is true, do the action, otherwise get out of it. So while, let's say, if there's a monster in front of us, then attack it. So how we detect a monster is turtle dot attack. This not only detects a monster, it also attacks, so long as we have a weapon. So if that's true, do turtle dot attack, and that's how we end it. Okay, so control save, control exit. Okay. Then let's call this up and see. So when we attacked it, we pushed it away, and so we weren't able to detect it anymore, and our monster and our robot was like, well, we're gonna get out of that loop. So what we can do to see if maybe we can make it work a little better is, okay, so we detect that there's a monster in front of us, but we don't want to attack right away, right? Um, Actually, yeah, we do. We want to attack, then go forward, so that we're still detecting it. Oh, see, let's see if we actually will detect it. All right, control save, control exit, and then edit file. Oh, yeah, we would have killed it. Okay. Let's go back here, go back, and let's see if we can make this work in a different way. All right. Okay, it'll come to us. All right, let's run the code. So, okay, so it will work like that. Okay, so if we have monsters here and we can detect them, we will attack, move forward, and then we will still be able to detect them and we won't get out of that while loop. So take that into consideration, okay? But this is pretty good. Let's say we had like um, a spawner up here where monsters would continuously come down. We could do a while loop that would detect them and kill them for an indefinite period of time. Um, let's see, what else can we do with a while loop? That's right. We can, just like a for loop, we can, um, what's it called? Um, dig stuff as well. So let's do another edit. Let's do this one right here. Okay. While loop, and we'll do it similar to what we did with the for loop right there. Okay. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to use a while loop that will detect if there's something in front of it. While there is something in front of it, it will break it. If not, it will stop. Okay? So let's do that. While turtle dot detects something in front of it, you can either do this, which just means if true, or you can do if actually equals true, and it's the same thing. Do then turtle dot attack, dig in front of it, and then end. So once we're done here, once it can't detect anything, it'll just get out of that while loop. We don't want to create an infinite loop, so just be careful with that. And I'll show you how to create an infinite loop. Cool, all right. And that's good, but we got out of it. We want to keep going forward and deleting stuff as we go. Just like we saw earlier in a while loop for the, what's it called, for the for loop. So we'll move forward. All right, put something there, and let's run it. So, see, it's still detect. As long as we make sure that that while statement, the condition is still true, our code will keep running. That way we can go indefinitely. So if, let's say, we wanted to put a robot right here, or two robots like right here, one, like, let's see, here and here, and here and here, and we wanted to dig all the way over there for X amount of time or until there's nothing there, we could run that code and it would destroy all that and collect all the material for us. In the next video, I'll show you just so you have another example of it, okay? Okay, a little bit bug, but